Good morning, this is our entry to the jam competition, Jarhead. With Jarhead we provide our players with a cute, fun and engaging experience. We want to motivate them to make better choices in their finances, for a better future, especially after these trying times. Now, at the start of our game we are presented with our main character, Jarhead, a unisex jar-like being. And we have the first choice that will affect our character in the long term. Long-term choices are presented by these small characters called jar buds. Jar buds represent jobs that Jarhead can have. In this situation, we will click 3 of them and see their descriptions. Out of these 3, I prefer programmers, so I'll choose to be a programmer. Now after this, we are presented with another branch of jar bud decisions regarding housing, whether we want to rent it or purchase it. Expenses related to these choices will affect Jarhead at the end of each month. We'll pick rent in order to keep our starting capital. The exclamation mark afterwards, that's our first quick decision. These decisions will affect Jarhead temporarily. For example here, by adopting pets, they will lose money but gain sanity. Now, at the top left of the screen there is a number that represents the amount of euros that Jarhead currently has. On the right you can see the sanity meter. This meter represents the overall happiness of the character. Simply having a lot of money does not mean that you will be happy, so Jarhead must constantly balance between gaining money and maintaining joy, represented by these bars. Now coming up is Jarhead's house. If we ignore the choice of obtaining a house, then it wouldn't show up. This is just an example to simulate the determinism in our game. Now these are our programming colleagues. Jarhead faces a decision regarding their job. In this case, a senior employee. He decided to retire early from his post, and you can choose whether to accept a promotion in his place, yes or no. Now, these kind of jobs will affect Jarhead's sanity negatively, but it will make him more money. So it's one of the choices that really have to make the player think between balancing. Now, at the end of each month, Jarhead faces a boss. This boss gives him his month's end, which is full of income and expenses. And a new month after this is started. Now, in the future, this pane, it will be more detailed, so it will show the income and expenses individually rather than their collected sum. And this will educate the user to spend certain amounts in some places and otherwise. Over here we have our partner. We can choose to start a relationship with this partner. Now this shows up specifically on the second month in the demo. This can show up later in later games. But we agreed to this partnership, and now this partner will continue showing up in the game with a new branch of decisions which will affect our character in the long term. So now we're finishing our second month. It's the beginning of the third month. If we chose to say yes to the partner, we wouldn't get another opportunity, but we said yes. So now when we approach the house area of this interval, a new opportunity will come up. In this case, it's having a child. So before we get there, the partner prompts us. We have a quick decision with the partner regarding Valentine's Day. We can choose whether to dedicate ourselves to a relationship or not. Now, here clicking on the child, we can choose whether to actually decide on having the child or not. This will affect Jarhead on the long term, just like the partner, and a new branch of decisions from the next month will take place. There's a workplace decision, and now we're approaching the month's end. We're approaching the 4th month. This is our income and expenses. Now, the game ends once Jarhead either loses all their money or all their sanity. In this case, they lost all their sanity by the last decision. Now he has quite a lot of money, but the sanity dropped down, so he got the game over anyways. This just shows how a constant balance is always required. And it teaches the player to be careful, you know? So yeah, that's our game. We hope you enjoyed our demonstration, and we wish you a pleasant day full of positive, quick decisions.